Alright, really quick video with adjectives this time. Magka and nagka. So, magka and nagka with adjectives kind of changes this affix meaning for a little bit versus magka and nagka with verbs, right? But with adjectives, it changes the meaning of the affix by affecting adjectives, and those adjectives being the state of something, right? They're in the state of something. So I guess they can be kind of like stative verb in a way, but adjectives, I like to just say adjectives, whatever, right? The state of something or stative. And what magka and naka does to these adjectives is that it makes it so that the adjective becomes more and more of something of that adjective, right? More and more, or so and so, more and more of that something. Such and such, or so and so of that kind of adjective, that particular adjective, okay? It becomes more of it. And finally, if you use magka and nagka with these adjectives, it changes that stress accent to that final syllable. And you'll see in the short little sentence down here. Okay? Wat lagi magkaduol ang bangka nganhi, magkalayo hinuon, ug imbes nga magkakusog ang iyahang pag-andar sa makina niya, sigig nakahinay-hinay, hinuon pud siya. So the adjectives here that we have is magkaduol. Okay, the first one is magkaduol, which duol means to get closer, right? To get closer. Magkaduol means for the adjective for whatever is being described to come closer and closer and closer. So it's that state of becoming more and more of something, right? More and more of that adjective, more and more such and such or so and so, right? It's becoming more and more of this adjective, more and more duol, okay? Much more closer. The same with the next adjective, which is nagkalayo. So nagkalayo, and layo means to go far away. So nagkalayo, to go, something for it to go far and far away. In this case, completed, right? With nagkalayo. Here it is. Magkakusog is our third one here that I found. So magkakusog meaning to become stronger and stronger, to strengthen, right? To become more powerful and more pressureful, right? So magkakusog. And finally, we have that last one here that I saw is nagkahinay-hinay, right? Nagkahinay-hinay. And hinay is the opposite of kusog, so it's more weaker and weaker, right? And you can even do this with colors, like, because colors are kind of the state of something, right? They're in the state of being whatever that color is. So for example, the sentence was written in red, right? And red is pula, right? Pula. So magkapula, which means to become more redden and red, to redden something, right? To red, make it more red, or redden it more, right? Red, to make something more red and red and red, or redden something more. Magkapula. So it works that way too with those kinds of words. That's just something with the adjectives of magka and naga that I want to share with this one. All right, so hopefully that kind of clarified it.